Hey everybody, here for a quick unboxing. Finally got the Indiegogo package for the Chenoo. Apparently this got lost someplace in Pennsylvania, so it took a while to get here, but I'm glad it's here, and let's open it up and see what we got. Super careful here, don't want to accidentally cut anything, but I'm sure it's packed very well. So, and for those that don't know, this is Graham Nolan's Indiegogo comic. Really looking forward to this. These Gemini mailers are super cool. First, we have the thank you letter. And he's also got a little note in there about Alien Alamo, which will be the next comic we checked out on Indiegogo too. And I'll try to put a link in that. I don't know if it's going to be up before I post this video, but if it is, I'll put a link in the description. We got very cool. I can see it. I can fit it on the camera here. Slide it a little bit. Neat. So what's for dinner? Looks great. We'll get to the comic. All sealed here. We got some other goodies in here. Just gonna slide that out. We got the Chenoo rookie card, huh? It's got some info back there. Look, that looks great. Bookmark. I really am interested in what this book is here. I'm not sure. But, and then, very cool sticker. I'm just going to slide this over here, take the book out. And there it is. There's the comic. Got the spot varnish finish that you can see on the red. You see it's signed there by Graham. And then if you catch it right in the light here, you can do it. You can see it on the blood and on the logo. Let's check it out real quick in here. Well, spoilers, I hope. But there it is. Looks great. Now I went into the sketch level. Normally I don't share these things, but this is Bunny, an assassin for hire, partners with Gunhawk from the Batman series. Not a super well-known villain, but I do collect sketches of different villains, and this is one that I did not have, and Graham actually helped co-create this, so thought it was perfect, and it looks awesome. So thanks, Graham. Thanks everybody for watching, and looking forward to Alien Alamo. We'll talk to you.